Hi again. Honestly, this is still day 11 and I'm filming again. I snuck back on because I can't resist. I'm so excited to build this for you. Like I said, last night I worked on the how I'm going to build this. And then I woke up in the morning and I was like super clear on how I'm going to build this. And I'm still going to take you through the process of talking to the large language model and developing it and figuring out together exactly how we're going to build it because I'm not going to hide anything. We're going to really do it together. We are building a software that's going to streamline bringing all of your videos into multiple languages. Right now, I'm doing a workflow and it's getting bottlenecked, and it's taking not only like up to 36 hours to get my 10 videos translated and out of the bottleneck, but also some of them are not exactly my voice. They're like trying to rush it, I guess, and it's becoming like a man's voice speaking Japanese with my lips, and it's kind of crazy. I guess you can find it in my Japanese playlist. But we are going to streamline together. We're going to make a software together. I want to say we're going to start now, but there is a lot of preparation that has to happen in order to build it right. So we're at least going to do that preparation together so that tomorrow when we sit down, if we can't do it today, you are literally going to be blown away at what happens. But it's all in the preparation. Let me say it again, it's all in the preparation. I've been building software for a year now, and I can tell you 100%. This is the most important part. If we don't prepare properly, then we're just going to create problems. It's like, I think I mentioned it before, like it becomes this like ball of yarn that's totally a mess just because one thing wasn't prepared properly. So it's all in the preparation. We're going to prepare. Okay, so we're going to jump into Claude. We're going to make, or what is this one? We're going to go to our I think we started, I don't know if we started together. I think we did. Um we started to I'm just going to assume that we did. So we started to kind of build out the workflow. I've told them that we're going to use Supabase, which is like a database in the background. You're going to see all of this here. It's all going to make sense. So what I really need is a super tight first comment to Bolt.new so that we give them a full picture of the software, the kit of parts, the pieces, the order it needs to be built so it functions cleanly and super efficiently. And let me just see. I think it knows everything. I think you know everything to make this happen. Do you have any other questions? We need login, paywall, and we need the video to be uploaded, queued, delivered, one at a time. As soon as the next video is translated, downloaded, the next video gets pushed. We need it to be downloaded and stored in a file system named correctly for the date and on the cloud. Is there anything we have discussed that I am leaving out. Okay, so there's some typos, but it really doesn't matter. That's, hopefully I'm showing you that as we build and as we dialogue, that's the most important thing. ChatGPT, Claude, they're all very good at cleaning up your spelling, your language. You've covered all the essential components. I have everything needed to create a comprehensive Bolt.new prompt. Let me just clarify one technical detail to ensure the prompt is perfect. HeyGen integration method. Do you have access to HeyGen's API, or should we build this with a web automation like Puppeteer? I am working on access to HeyGen's API. Okay, here we go. We are going to do it today. We're going to do just the first little bit. If we're not happy, I'm going to review this tonight. And if it's not, because I did create a kind of framework for it yesterday. If we're not totally happy with it, we'll rebuild it tomorrow, but we can at least get it started. And in the meantime, I am going to show you Bolt. I'm going to show you that I actually started building this from scratch. This was a different approach that I did last night. Instead of just really simplifying and using and leaning into HeyGen, which is already amazing, I was building the whole thing from scratch. It's actually really good. This is the software. You can sign in. I haven't signed in, so we won't be able. Let's see if I can sign in quickly. Sign up. Oh, it's not working. But it truly is elaborate and amazing. Let me just fix it. And we're going to go back to Claude and see what it says. Let's see. Build a complete SaaS platform that automates HeyGen video translation workflows. Let me just make sure. Create a video, translate a video, and upload. Not sure if you need to know this. Not sure if you need to know this now, but when you open HeyGen as a user, you need to create a video, translate a video, upload. Click a button that says create a video, translate a video, and then upload a video. That is critical information. Do you need the workflow for downloading the video? See, it's always a back and forth. It's always a back and forth. Yes, they need that too. So when the video is complete, I'm just going to hide this. When the video is complete, so I don't know, you go to recent creations, click on the latest video, turn on captions. Oh, there's one more thing in creating the video. Create a video. It's going to upload one so I can see it. Okay, so after upload a video, you go to advanced. Sorry, still for upload. After upload a video, you go to advanced tab and click on enable captions and then translate. Click on enable captions and then the translate button. So let's do it. Enable captions. Oh, no, sorry. Then you have to choose your language. So let's say Japanese. Sorry, so before. Again, sorry, before translate button, you have to type in your language in the text box. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit translate. After you hit translate, it uploads to 100%. That's what it's doing. It's at 32, 33, 34. So yeah, so we're basically working right now with Claude, which it could be ChatGPT, but we're working with Claude. I do prefer it. And we're refining the first message that you give to Bolt is the most important. That's what I said before. It's the seed that creates the fruit. What you say to it, it will literally start building your software on one message. So the one message has to kind of give the whole picture, not just of what you're doing, but how you want to do it, because it's literally going to build. And then if you have it built wrong from the beginning, the rest of the time you're going to spend trying to unwind it and fix it. And it's just to be honest, it's a nightmare. So, so then it goes into queue, and I don't know how to spell that again. And it is waiting, then processing, and when it is done, they send an email. We can ask them if there are other ways to be notified, or maybe we can trigger another way to be notified. And then for downloading, I'm just going to take this one. You click on the video. So you click on most recent video completed and turn on captions toggle. Turn on captions toggle and download down, and then, okay, so click download and choose captions toggle again. Download caption video and choose download captioned video toggle, and and click download. Okay, so and click download. For me, it goes to my download folder, but can we make it go to the cloud? Okay. You know, this is just me describing it. So it's possible that I'm not describing it right. I have a feeling that it might make more sense to just, I'm going to ask it actually. This is just me describing it. Would it be easier to automate from a video description of clicking buttons or doing something live to mimic automation? Or is this the best way? I mean, I don't know. Great question. For Bolt.new, specifically detailed text description is actually the best approach. However, for your workflow documentation, recording a screen capture of the process would be great for your reference. Okay, I don't need that right now. Okay, so is the, or so are the words to the right the first command we give Bolt? Also, the software we can tell Bolt is called VivaVoxx. Is that correct? Yeah, with 2 X's. Because we got VivaVoxx.com. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's try. This is really the moment. I didn't even read it over. So we may actually have to redo this, but I just want to give you an experience. So we're going to start a new chat. I'm copying and pasting in all the work we just did. Wait and see what happens. It's wild. I pressed go. Oh, no, I didn't. I pressed go now. Woo! Okay. So it's thinking. So what did we do? It's 15 minutes into the video. We had done some prep work earlier this morning. I did some prep work last night. I've been building these AI softwares for a year, so I've experience with how it needs to be talked to and what are the, what sort of structure is needed to make it really clean. I didn't really go over that. Maybe we'll spend some time going over that, but it's creating initial files. It's updating the JSON package. If you know anything about software, it's installing dependencies, it's building the database. It's creating the store, which is basically going to help us have a login and a paywall. This is pretty exciting. Honestly, this is what I wanted to show you today. Like I said, we're going to have to, or, it also asked us, we're going to need the API for the program that does the translation. It's like a call center. It's like making a phone call and being like, hey, program, we need you to work for us. But like I said, the reason that we're not just using that software and I'm not just teaching you that process is that, there was a bottleneck and literally my head felt like it was going to explode trying to keep track of 10 different languages and which videos were done and which videos weren't done and which videos I had to upload, and they only wanted to receive 1 or 2 at a time, and otherwise it was going to delay it for 36 hours. And then you got to day 2 and I already still had videos that were in the queue and I wanted to upload videos from day 2 and it was just too much. And I'm only using 10 languages. And honestly, I want to use more languages. So fingers crossed, this software gets built. I can use it. You can use it. Oh, we've got an error. This message didn't complete its response. So let's start again. It's starting again. It's okay. I mean, honestly, even if this doesn't go through today, we'll start with it tomorrow. Oh, based on your requirements, I'll build out a complete VivaVoxx platform with a beautiful production-ready interface. We'll focus on creating a comprehensive dashboard with project management, video upload functionality, real-time progress tracking. Oh, I already see what we missed. We didn't tell them that we want 2 levels of admin and a user. Let me see if that's going to be an issue. We're going to go over to Cloud. We forgot to mention we want 2 levels of admin. So regular admin and super admin plus user login dashboards. Is it best to revise the first comment and start the build again? I am kind of rushing it, and really we should never. Why not to revise and restart? You'll lose momentum and context. Bolt.new works well with iterative additions. The core architecture can easily accommodate admin levels. Starting over wastes time. Better approach. Send up a follow-up message. Super admin. Okay. Please write a follow-up message for us with that. And one more question to you. Is the structure built, or are we asking Bolt to build it super modular and progressive, one step then the next? Simple, easy to use, hard to break. Okay, so it's writing our follow-up message, and then it's going to answer us. Yes, the structure we've outlined to Bolt is super modular and progressive. Okay, that's all I wanted to know. Also, so the next message, which my dog would like to tell you about. Zoe, enough. Okay, so we're going to, Zoe, it's enough. Okay, so it's creating the app, it's building the dashboards. Let's see, we're at 23 minutes. I think we can finish. Sorry about the barking. My dog's really cute. You want to get on camera, Zoe? Come here. Zoe. You want to see? Come on. Up. Come here. She doesn't know. Oh, there she is. Oh, you won't see her because I cut myself out. Maybe she'll pop up. As a part of the, okay. Oh my God, here we go. Here's the reveal. I've created a complete, oh, there's a mistake. Let's just see if we can fix it. I didn't even check what it is yet. Okay, and then we're gonna give that one more comment about the admin. Hopefully this works and there's no mistake. Oh yeah, we have to set up our super base, okay, so I'm going to set that up and we'll start again tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful night.